Search for run. Type the following text: percentage local app data percentage Roblox. Click it. In this, click local storage and delete the files and folders inside the local storage. Come back. Click log folder and delete the files and folders inside the log folder. Come back. Search for temp capture storage and delete the files and folder if having means. I already deleted. If you have means you need to delete this. Once completing this, you need to close it. And for next step, search for services. Click it. Scroll down and search for Windows Update. Right click it. Click Properties. Make sure the running type should be in automatic and service status should be in running mode. If it's stop means you need to start it and click apply and OK. Once complete after, close it. And the next you need to search for run and type the following text: appwiz.cpl. You need to check if still have same issue means you need to come to the uninstall program page and you need to uninstall the Roblox. After uninstall, you need to again go to the browser. This is the official website of Roblox. Go to the official website of Roblox and download it and click install.